Today, we would like to talk about the climate issues in my residential area, and it is under one of the Sustainable Development Goals, which is under number 13. Let's identify the problems occur at these areas. You can see there is a lot of cars, small amount of plants, a lot of buildings, and also those domestic activities. Climate change is expected to have considerable impact in Malaysia. Increasing temperature are likely to greatly increase the number of heat waves and carbon storage occurring annually. What is carbon storage? It is also known as carbon sequestration. Carbon storage is a complex method of capturing carbon dioxide emissions and storing them in coal seams, aquifers, depleted oil and gas reservoirs, and other spaces deep under the surface of the earth. Theoretically, this would prevent those gases from having an effect on climate.
Climate change refers to significant and long-term changes in the global climate. Climate change can also impact human health by worsening air and water quality. The global climate is the connected system of Earth, Sun, and oceans, wind, rain and snow, forests, and everything people do. Carbon dioxide is the primary greenhouse gas contributing to recent climate change. Carbon dioxide enters the atmosphere through burning fossil fuels, solid waste, trees, and other biological materials, and as a result of certain chemical reactions such as cement manufacturing. Human activities have increased the concentration of carbon dioxide in our atmosphere, amplifying Earth's natural greenhouse effect.
Engineering solution to reduce the carbon dioxide is the carbon capture and storage method. The carbon dioxide is compressed and transported by a lorry or an aeroplane. After that, the carbon dioxide is produced by highly polarizing industrial process. The carbon dioxide absorbed from other gases produces cold enemy, and the carbon dioxide separated from the enemy pressure in and changed to the liquid that can be transported by the pipeline with 65 km speed, and the carbon dioxide is injected into 2 km underground into a layer of rock filled with interconnected process, become trapped and locked in under many layers of water type for permanent storage.
To reach net zero emissions, we need to do more than just reduce our emissions. We need to actively remove carbon dioxide from the atmosphere or offset its effects. The easiest way to do this is by planting new forests, afforestation, or restoring old ones, reforestation. Afforestation is establishing a forest, especially on land not previously forested. It remains one of the most effective means of tackling climate change, particularly when it is designed to rely on green energy. This natural climate solution reduces the impact of desertification, supports ecosystems, and removes carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. It is a countermeasure against deforestation, which has been contributing to climate change dramatically for the last few centuries.
As we all know, climate change also causes more frequent natural disasters such as hurricane, floods, tornado, heat waves, and droughts. So the question is, how do we stop this? Instead of burning fossil fuels, we need to convert to renewable energy such as solar and wind power, which met zero carbon emission when operate. More solar energy falls on the earth in 1 hour than all the energy that our civilizations consume in 1 year. Engineers from Solution Project calculate that we could power most of the world with renewable energy if we just actually decided to do it. If deforestation were reduced, it will not only reduce the amount of fossil fuel, but also there will be more plants and forests absorbing carbon dioxide. And also, if we use more reusable and renewable resources, this will reduce the amount of energy needed to create new products. That all sounds like great, efficient, and healthy idea.